Good day, namaste, sasrikal, salam. My name is Ari and I'm here for the Indoz TV team to cover Empowering Migrant Expo. The expo is expected to have stalls and displays from lots of different countries around the globe, and same applies to the food, culture and dance that you can simply enjoy at this event. I promise to take you on a journey across the globe through my eyes with the help of this mic and all the people that I get to speak to here, from children of all ages to people who are community leaders, delegates and ministers who might be available here today. Standing here in front of the Paella Man shop this morning, I can smell the paella from miles away. But let's hear straight from the people who are making the product this morning. Please tell us a little bit more about your specialty.
Our specialty, is the paella. You guys can see here. That is a typical dish from Spain and is made with rice. And then this one is chicken chorizo and then the veggies.
I can see there's another pot here. Are we starting another paella for today?
Yes, we're gonna do the seafood paella.
Oh,
Really
that's
nice.
Is that the most popular one?
The traditional one, actually, in Spain, is with pork ribs and rabbit.
I see.
Yes. Yeah.
What if a vegetarian wants to eat some of the paella today? Can they do it or not?
Well, not today. Maybe we can meet other day and do a special one.
It would be lovely to have a small portion of veg paella. Yeah, because a lot of people here, you'll find even in Australia, by choice are vegetarians. I love the selection. I wish you all the best. Hopefully it's a wonderful day for you.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
You take care. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. Bye.
तो आज हम हैं ब्रिस्बेन सिटी हॉल में और हम एम्पावरिंग माइग्रेंट एक्सपो अटेंड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। एम्पावरिंग माइग्रेंट एक्सपो के अलग अलग शेड्स हैं, बहुत सारी डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ का आज रिप्रेजेंटेशन है यहाँ और इंडिया का भी रिप्रेजेंटेशन है। मैं अभी खड़ा हुआ हूँ करी एक्सप्रेस के बाहर और खाने की खुशबू दूर दूर तक आ रही है। स्टॉल के बारे में और जानने के लिए मैं उनके ओनर से बात करता हूँ। आप एम्पावरिंग माइग्रेंट एक्सपो पहली बार कर रहे हैं?
यस, फर्स्ट टाइम।
और आप ये जो आपकी शॉप है, इसकी स्पेशलिटी और इसकी जो पॉपुलर चीज़ें हैं उनके बारे में आप हमें बताइए।
सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर तो कढ़ाई पनीर एंड ऑफ कोर्स चिकन टिक्का मसाला अमोंग दी ओजी लोकल पीपल के साथ है। बाकी जो समोसा चाट है वी जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस लास्ट ईयर, तो वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है।
तो इंडियन स्ट्रीट फूड को लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं।
फॉर श्योर।
और आप कितने टाइम से कर रहे हैं ये काम?
एक्चुअली आई एम अ मैनेजर इन दिस रेस्टोरेंट। रेस्टोरेंट 10 साल से है एंड वी आर डूइंग दिस इवेंट फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 years। तो नॉट दिस वन बट फॉर द लोकल इवेंट्स एंड फॉर लाइक कम्युनिटी इवेंट्स।
मतलब आप जो बातें कर रहे हैं वो सुन के मुंह में पानी आ रहा है। मैं आपके पास थोड़े टाइम बाद वापस आऊँगा, लेकिन मैं आपको ऑल द बेस्ट विश करता हूँ आज के लिए और आपका दिन बहुत ही अच्छा हो।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। बट must try this kadai paneer whenever you have a chance. When you come back, when you have a break time, please give us a chance.
Kadai paneer from Curry Express has been a hit. Thank you for your time.
Thank you sir.
Good morning. I am at the Turkish Sen Coffee stall here at the King George Square, and I've got these lovely ladies who want to talk to us about their culture and also about the product which is available on this stall. Good morning. That is an incredibly beautiful outfit. Is there a Turkish name for the outfit?
Good morning. This is a beautiful outfit that it's supposed to be Romanian because we belong to Romanian community. However, I was really surprised when I bought it from Romania to see on the label made in Turkey. And actually lots of traditional costumes are made there, so thanks Turkey for that.
That's amazing. Is it because Turkey might have a lot of people who love intricate creative art?
I think you're right, yes. They love designs and dresses and fashion, and the dresses are really nice. They are much better than what we've seen in the stores here in Australia. Turkish is really good at producing dresses and outfits.
Absolutely. My experience has been that anything that comes out of Turkey does have a lot of color, does have a lot of designs, intricate designs like you mentioned, and tons of creativity. So what are you doing here today? Are you dancing or are you performing? What is it that you guys are doing?
Well, today we're doing a modeling show, and I'm going to be modeling for Rita, for the Romanian costume, which my mum is wearing,
Romanian Association Doina.
And for a headpiece.
Diva headpiece. Yes, this is organized by the multicultural what, Aurelia? Ethnic Association.
The Multicultural Ethnic Association. I wish you all the best for the fashion show today. And once again, thank you so much for your time. Please tell us, what are we doing here today? That looks a little bit intricate and a little bit complicated.
Yes, it is a traditional kind of cooking style.
Yeah?
In olden times, Turkish people are cooking their coffee on the sand.
Right.
This is heated sand, and it is cooking the coffee slowly,
Yes.
which make your coffee tastier.
Well, Turkish coffee by itself is known the world over for its flavor. I
Yes.
would love to try some. And what about these
Sure.
delicacies here?
Okay. Then my friends give some explanation.
Hi, these are pastries.
Yeah.
All are made homemade
Yes.
by our chef Ayşe.
Chef?
Yeah,
These look
thank you.
beautiful. Which
Yes.
one is your favorite?
My one is the eggplant.
Sorry.
Eggplant.
The eggplant one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
eggplant.
that one.
Are they all vegetarians?
Yeah, all
These are,
vegetarians and just the Turkish pizza, like we calling to
Lahmacun.
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 Yes, and this is the traditional, and actually we make it the rice and the chicken
Yeah.
as well. It's all homemade, and I have the business as well. You know, I'm making.
What about these, chef?
And this is the lentil soup,
Lentil soup.
yes,
Right.
and it
That's
normal
just shy.
tea.
That's just shy. What is the topping?
And the mince.
Mince. Okay.
Mince and some of the vegetables. Yeah.
Beautiful. The smell here, because of that coffee, is just so tempting. I wish you guys all the best. I hope it's a wonderful day for you and for your team and for your business, chef.
Yes, thank you. And actually, we make it the Turkish Women Association to here,
Yes.
and I'm supporting to them. Just all money, it's coming to my association. Yeah.
I love how everyone helps each other, just in case there is a word missing from the conversation. But this is really nice to hear, really warm feeling in this stall. I definitely recommend the food products and the Turkish coffee in particular. Oh, thank you so much. For anyone to check out, I'll give this a quick go. Burnt my lips. Burnt my lips, but it's absolutely delicious. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You take care.
Welcome, thank you.
I'm at Brisbane today with Chef Elfie. Chef, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. How are you?
Very good. Thank you for asking. Chef, please tell us a little bit about what you're serving here today.
We are doing two different satay, Indonesian style satay, one with chicken and one with beef. And the chicken comes with a peanut sauce and the beef comes with the sweet soy sambal. Yum.
That does sound delicious, Chef. Out of these two, which one is your favorite?
My favorite is always the beef one because it comes from my region of Indonesia, which is West Java. But people are more familiar with the chicken and peanut sauce, and then that's become a bestseller today.
Thank you so much. Some yummy treats here today at Warisan, which also translates to heritage in the Indonesian language. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you so much.
I'm here with Camilla today at Brisbane City Hall at the Polish stall and a dance group which is also performing inside called Obertus. Camilla, tell us a little bit about the food here today.
So we have a very traditional Polish food today. It's a hanta stew, which is a sauerkraut and cabbage with meat. We have krański, which is a Polish sausage. We love Polish sausage, and because of the cold climate in our country, this typical winter food. We have also homemade cakes, many of them. Many moms bake the cakes for today, and that's what we're having today.
And did you make all of this food by yourself, Camilla?
Some of it, but not all of it. I have many helpers around.
I can see that the food looks really tempting, and so does this offering from the Polish culture. Hopefully, it's a very successful day for you.
Let's hope for that, otherwise we're gonna have a heaps of leftovers.
Thank you so much. I hope that's not the case. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm at Biryani Jafrani and the food looks so tempting. Look at this menu and all the food that is available here, that biryani in a pot. Traditional method of cooking. Let's learn a little bit more from the stall holder. Please tell us a little bit about what's on offer today.
Actually, our biryani is a fusion biryani. We have spent a couple of years in Middle East, where we used to have many friends from different parts of the world, from South India, from Karachi, from North India. So we have tasted lots of biryani. So when we shifted to Australia like 2 years ago, we found those biryani flavors were missing over here. So we tried to introduce a taste which is common for all. And we are trying our best to make sure that biryani becomes famous in this part of the world. And we have 3 types of biryani, like paneer biryani, vegetable biryani, mutton biryani, which is a goat meat biryani, and chicken biryani. Along with that, we are coming up with some curries, like basic platter, like vegetarian thali platter and chicken thali platter, which has 2 curries, some papadum, some salad, some paratha, and rice on it. Along with that, we are serving some karak Indian chai, masala chai. We are happy that most of the people who are tasting Indian chai, they are liking it. And we are here for the expo, and we are enjoying our life so far.
Thank you so much. That was really nice to hear. I can see that you're trying to experiment with biryani to make it slightly better than what's available here in Brisbane. And I wish you all the best, and I look forward to trying some of it. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you. Pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Take care.